In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an email in Constant Contact. Let's get started right where it matters, your email campaign. From your campaigns area, open the email you want to send. This could be a draft you've been working on or a previously created message you're ready to put on the calendar. As it opens, take a quick moment to review the essentials. Confirm your subject line and preview text are clear, your from name looks familiar to your audience, and your links and images are working as expected. A short final review here can save you time later. With your content in good shape, look for the Schedule option in the editor. It typically appears toward the top or in the Send settings area. Click Schedule to move into the sending details. This is where you'll lock in when your email goes out and who receives it. First, choose your date and time. Make sure the time zone displayed matches your audience or your account settings so the send happens exactly when you expect. If you're not sure about the best time, consider when your subscribers are most likely to check email. Often mid-morning or early afternoon on weekdays works well, though it can vary by audience. If you need to plan ahead for a campaign or holiday reminder, pick a future date and a precise time to keep things consistent. Next, select your recipients. You can choose from your existing lists or segments depending on how you've organized your contacts. Pick the list that's right for this message to keep it relevant and targeted. If your account offers options to exclude certain groups or suppress recent unsubscribes automatically, those settings help you maintain deliverability and ensure people only receive content they expect. Take a moment to verify the list size looks right and that you're reaching the intended audience. When everything looks good, the timing is set, and the recipients are selected, click Schedule to finalize it. You should see a confirmation letting you know your email is officially queued. If plans change later, you can return to the campaign, adjust the date and time, or unschedule it before it sends. That flexibility makes it easy to stay on top of last-minute edits without starting from scratch. And that's all there is to it. Open your email campaign, click Schedule, choose the date and time, select your recipients, and click Schedule to confirm. With these simple steps, you'll keep your communication timely, consistent, and stress-free. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.